So guys, this is our crash gear, and this is my brother's crash gear. So he got fire here, some black pen, and and um
Ganito crush boat.
and this is the rifle, the boost, so he can fly. And this back, we got the Chinese sign, and they got VIP Pro Racers Master. And this, he have some number, J J65201. So the second is the Crash Boat. Crash Boat is awesome too, and look at this. This is our brothers or baby baby Crash Boat, and he got a design here. She designed that, and it's pretty cool too. And the last is mine. The last is mine. This is a crash gear too. So I got the design here. It's a blue ball pen, a pen, and there's got O9. The O9 I the O9 I got is my birthday.
Favorite number.
And they got SUPED. So they got super speed and O9 again here. And this is the boost, and the plate number is O9. And this is the boost, so you can fly harder. And this the back, the name is Super High Speed O9. So that's all our crash gear, and the other is he's writing it.
Crash airplane.
This is the crasher plane, but
We have no design.
we have no design because it's building yet not done. So we will continue the video. Bye.